Hi friends! I want to share with you the Vantage International Business Program. Here's how to join. Option 1. Be a silver member by getting a silver package worth 2,999 pesos. Choose the product package of your choice at magkakaroon ka ng 22% lifetime discount sa lahat ng Vantage products, plus pwede kang kumita ng maximum of 4,800 pesos per day. Option 2. Be a gold member by getting a gold package worth 7,999 pesos and choose the product package of your choice at magkakaroon ka ng 25% lifetime discount sa lahat ng Vantage products at pwede kang kumita ng maximum of 15,000 pesos per day. Paano ba kumita? Ganito yan. We have 6 ways to earn. 1. First way is direct selling or retail profit. If you are a silver member, again, you have a 22% discount. The more na marami kang benta, the more na marami kang kita. Halimbawa, nakabenta ka ng 50,000, multiply by 22%, you earn 12,200 pesos. If gold member naman, you have a 25% discount. Kung nakabenta ka ng 50,000, multiply by 25%, you earn 12,500 pesos. That's the first way. 2. Ito naman ang second way. Referral bonus. Ano ba ito? Ang referral bonus ay madali lang. Halimbawa, you shared to a friend the Vantage International business at nagustuhan niya. Then he or she availed of the silver package or the 2,999 pesos worth na package. Ikaw na nag-refer ay tatanggap from Vantage ng 250 pesos plus 50 Vantage points. For the gold package or the 7,999 pesos worth na package naman, ikaw na nag-refer ay tatanggap from Vantage ng 700 pesos plus 100 Vantage points. 3. Third way, indirect referral. When the first person you shared the business with shared it with another person, ikaw ay kikita ng 100 pesos as indirect referral. Lumalabas na second level mo siya. At kung ang second level mo na yun shared the business with another person, kikita ka ngayon ng 75 pesos, having him as your third level. At kung ang third level mo naman share the Vantage business with another, ikaw ay kikita ng 50 pesos, having him as your fourth level na. At kung ang fourth level mo again share the business with another, kikita ka ng 25 pesos from your fifth level up to your seventh level. This is how the sequence goes for indirect referral. 4. Fourth way is matching bonus. You have to create 2 sales groups, one on your left and another one on your right. Ito ay tinatawag na binary system. Every time you close a gold package, may corresponding MV or matching value ito. Bawat gold entry or package ay may katumbas na 1,500 MV. Kung may parehong gold entry ka sa left side at right side mo, babasahin ng system ang dalawang 1,500 MV or matching value sa left and right organizations mo. Ikaw ay babayaran ng Vantage ng 1,500 pesos. Kung 2,999 pesos entry naman o silver package, ito ay may equivalent matching value na 400 MV. Now, babayaran ka ng Vantage ng 400 pesos kapag meron kang sales na silver package sa left and right mo. Pero kung ang scenario ay ganito, meron kang gold package sa left side at silver package naman on the other side, this is how the pattern goes. 1,500 MV sa left side mo at 400 MV naman sa right side mo. Ikaw ay babayaran ng Vantage ng 400 pesos. In other words, 1,500 MV minus 400 MV, meron ka pang natitira na 1,100 MV. Pero kapag may pumasok na benta sa kabilang side mo, halimbawa ay 1,500 MV, ang natitirang 1,100 MV will be paired to it. ikaw ay kumita ng 1,100 pesos. So, ngayon, ang 1,500 MV na pinasok mo, nabawasan ng 1,100 MV. May natitira ka pang 400 MV. Kapag may pumasok sa kabilang side na 400 MV, this will match sa natira mong 400 MV and so on. Ang maximum income per day for silver members ay 4,800 pesos and a maximum of 15,000 pesos per day naman for gold members. And take note of this, for every matching bonus, 20% will be converted into Vantage points. 5. Fifth way, Uni-level bonus. Ang Uni-level is your earnings from the purchases of your downlines. Sa unang level mo or first person you invited, ikaw ay kikita ng 15%. Lahat ng direct that you invited, sila ang first level mo. For your second level, ang invite ng direct invite mo, ikaw ay kikita ng 8% from second level down to your 8th level, at 5% naman from the 9th to your 10th level. 6. The sixth way to earn is Infinity Bonus, pero ito ay exclusive for gold members only. Ang lahat ng silver member direct mo ang down the lines, kikita ka ng 3% more hanggat hindi sila nagiging gold or promoted as gold members. But when they become a gold member, your infinity bonus under this structure ends. Those are the ways to earn here in Vantage International. You can now start your own business. It's that easy.